Thanks, Daniel. 6 teams will take part in the St. Mary FA Major League competition, which got underway on Sunday with a doubleheader. Prize money is also being offered for the first time in 3 years. Here is Garfield Jones with that story.
After staging a competition without a sponsor for 3 seasons, the hierarchy of the St. Mary Football Association are ecstatic after attracting sponsorship valued at $1.5 million. Mackay Security has come to the rescue of the association with a $1 million donation. Member of Parliament for Western St. Mary Robert Montague has also come aboard with a $500,000 donation. President of the St. Mary FA James Pearson says the winning team will have a lot to play for.
We will have the winning team this year will walk away with $350,000 Jamaican dollars for the first prize and the Mackay Security trophy. So that's the winning team, and the winning team will also go on to represent the parish in the JFF Playoff Championship for advancement to the national Tier 2 being put on by the Jamaica Football Federation.
The Jamaica Olympic Association also offered their assistance as they paid outstanding referee fees ahead of the new season. President of the JOA, Christopher Samuda, gave a charge to players ahead of the competition.
And therefore it is imperative that as you play the game, you play it right, you play it fairly, and you play it with respect. And those of you who, of course, will have the aspiration to transition to the international stage and to the Olympic stage, this is where it all begins. It all begins here with your aspiration and your ambition to be what you will yourself to be. And therefore I encourage you to use this competition instrumentally to ensure that you absolutely ensure that as a parish, you are representing the parish very well.
In the opening game played at the Westmoreland Oval in Anotabe, Axum FC got the better of Highgate 3-1. Lorenzo Horton opened the scoring for Axum from the penalty spot in the 11th minute. Highgate equalized in the 22nd minute through Javontai Allen. However, Axum would not be denied all 3 points as Tariq Samuel gave them the go-ahead goal in the 37th minute before Shamar Latibodir put the icing on the cake in the 80th minute. In the second game on the day, newcomers New Era FC got off to a perfect start with a 2-1 win over Fort George Academy. Axum FC, St. Mary Central Academy, Highgate United FC, Fort George Academy, Enfield Sports Club, and New Era are the teams entered for the new season. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.